Hi guys, hello and welcome back to stream again. So how are you doing? In this video, we are going to see Geo Meet for your meetings. See, Geo is one of the topmost telecommunication provider in India right now, and it has 4 million subscribers within India itself. See, India is one of the topmost market regarding telecommunication, and it is the second world's populous nation in the world. And with that, it has a very much potential for the market. And Geo had already utilized it with its telecommunication services such as internet, and now it is also entering into a new arena of conference, that is meeting app. See, due to the coronavirus pandemic, many corporates are utilizing so many meeting apps, that is conferencing apps like Zoom, Skype, and lot more things to make their employees communicate within themselves as a team and work as a team. And also, so many peoples are utilizing these conferencing apps to get link with their relatives about their health and so many other things, because they are splitted apart because of the sudden lockdowns, and they are separated within states or else within districts, or so many things are happening. So this conferencing apps are getting so much popularized. And if you take Zoom at nearly 35 million downloads. So Geo is also entering into this arena of conferencing calls with the help of his app right now, Geo Meet. So Geo Meet is the conferencing app that Geo right now introduced in the Play Store. So it is also from May itself, it is in the beta version, and now it is made available throughout India, but it is especially available within India. So outside India, there is no official release that Jio is going to release this app outside India. Right now, it is available only for within the territory of India, and it is available in Google Play Store. From its introduction, it had nearly 100 million downloads. It is released nearly 3 days before, right? This Geo app is very much similar to that of the Zoom app, but it has so much advanced features, and it is giving so much freedom for the users. For if you take, there is a time restrictions for the meeting in Zoom and other conferencing apps, like you need to conduct the meeting for 6 hours, and then you need to end the session and you need to restart the meeting if you want to continue. But Geo is offering you that for 24 hours, you there is no restrictions for you. You can continue your meeting for up to 24 hours, and after that there is a restrictions, right? So this Geo app is stunning, and it is also giving you that 100 members can attend the meeting, which is same more that of Zoom app. So it has nearly so much advantages. And regarding its size, it's just 18 MB, fine. So so if you want to download this app and have a meeting, so what are the things that you need to do is just install the Geo Meet app from the Play Store or App Store. See, this Geo Meet is available in all platforms such as App Store, um, in Google Play Store also. That is, for Android it is available, for Mac it is available, for iOS it is available, for Windows it is also available as a web page. So there is no need to worry, and Geo is also giving you the advantage of switching between devices. So you can switch simultaneously between 5 devices. So if you are attending a meeting in mobile phone, then you are not convenient, then you can switch during the meeting simultaneously in your laptop, so there will be no issues. So the second step is open the app, and the third step, sign up with your mobile number. So once you enter your mobile number and your OTP will be there, enter the OTP and then enter your name and mail ID. That's it, you just logged in. And then if you want to conduct a meeting, just click on the red new meeting icon, so that and link will be created for the meeting along with the password. See, every meeting in Geo Meet is password protected, so it is very much safe. So even the link is went to a third person, without the password he can't enter into your meeting. And the seventh thing is, invite the participants with the Geo link, with the Geo Meet link, and enjoy your meetings. So GeoMeet is providing an additional safety features called the waiting room. So it is an optional one, whether you can let it be or else you can disable it. So what's the purpose of the waiting room is that even a person enter with the help of the link and the password, the host need to give the permission to the person in the waiting room to enter into the meeting. So host will have the direct control of who will enter into the meeting. So this is one of the safety features that Geo is providing you. And regarding highlights is that everything is password protected, as I said before, and you can schedule the meeting before. For example, if you are scheduling your meeting for 4 o'clock, then you can generate the link even before 4 o'clock. For example, 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, you can generate the link and then you can share to the participants. So it is one of the best way to keep the meeting organized. And the next thing is that it is encrypted, but Geo is not claiming that it is end-to-end encrypted. That is, it is not tell that it is end-to-end encryption, but it is encrypted. That is, it is safe. Okay. So regarding storage, they didn't enclose where the data of users are stored. They are simply we are thinking that it will be within India. Within India, the server will be there because it is now available within Indian territory. So the server form will be within India. So Geo didn't disclose anything regarding the storage facility of the users data, but it said that if any government officials need data of any private individuals, it is disclosed because it is in law. Fine. So these are the things. And Geo is not at all stopping here itself. It is going beyond. So it has future plans. So regarding their future plans, they are also considering entering into telemedicines. So as you all know that telemedicine is nothing but an interaction between a doctor and a patient uh, without physical interaction. Through video conferencing itself, doctor will rectify all your problems, and they are also giving the medical prescriptions. And Zio Meet is planning to enter into that field also, and they are also planning to make the prescription tablets or the medicine purchase within the GeoMeet app itself. So they are also planning for that. And the next field that they are trying to enter is that the teaching. So they are trying to teach, that is online classes between the teachers and the students, and they are also planning to make uh, submission of homeworks and also making test digitally by using the GeoMeet platform. So these are the things that the GeoMeet is trying to perform. Okay, so from the establishment in the Play Store, that is from the inception of the GeoMeet, nearly 100 million people had downloaded from the from the Google Play Store itself, and it is rating 4.6 in Google Play Store and 4.8 in App Play Store. So whether whatever the apps there need to be, the service of that app will make the customer satisfied. So the satisfaction of the customer is very important to keep the app or the company in the market. So hope Geo will fulfill all the needs of its customer, as like that of the Zoom and other apps that is their competitors. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Hit a thumbs up and also comment on this video and what you think, whether Geo will move up to a next level or else it will struggle up. So these are the things, and I hope you already subscribed to the channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you don't lose any of our videos. So until then, it's signing off stream. Take care.